Hey y'all, today we're making homemade foam soaps. We're going to make a hand soap and a dish soap using Dawn detergent and your favorite kind of hand soap. Let's get started. Okay, to make our Dawn foam soap, the first thing you'll do is just take your little empty bottle, and it has to be the one that will work with foam that you saved from another time when you bought it. And what you'll do is add around 1 inch of your soap to the bottom of your bottle. And now we're just going to add some water to our bottle and be real slow so it don't foam up. But you got to leave enough room at the top so your little pump will go back in there and it won't overflow. So we're going to try right there. And these little Dawn foaming bottles that you buy at Walmart or anywhere that you can get them, they're around $5 for your sink for that bottle of foam detergent. I can add just a little bit more water. Okay, and now we're just going to put our top on it. And you can see the thickness of the soap is at the bottom, so just give it a light mixture. Mix it up a little bit. And right there you have the foam Dawn detergent without spending $5 to $6. Save these little foam bottles and you can just refill them yourself. I'll show y'all how it turns out. Just like the ones you buy. So just put this at your sink and you'll love using your foam Dawn detergent. Okay y'all, it's that simple and easy to make your own homemade foam Dawn detergent. I love having these at the sink. It makes it so easy just to reach up there and put you some on your washcloth. So if y'all like foam hand soap and foam Dawn detergent, y'all might like this video. Okay, now we're going to make our hand soap. And this is from Bath and Body Works. I'm out of this one, so I'm going to I saved this bottle right here to refill it to make my own. This right here is around $7. Around $5 to $7, depending on if you buy the ones on sale. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to add, of any kind of soap that you like, around a ½ inch to an inch maybe, just depending on how strong you want it. And I'm just using this last little bit of this I have in here. And this one is called Rose Hip, so it'll smell like roses. Okay, and now to this one, you don't have to do this. You can add just the plain water, but I'm going to add just a couple drops of lavender and a little bit of castor oil just to moisturize my hands when I wash them, because they dry out so bad in the winter. Not much, probably about not even 1/4 of a teaspoon. And then we'll just fill this up with our distilled water. Leave enough room for your pump or you'll have an overflow mess. Okay, I can add the rest of my water to that. Now making these right here, this right here probably costed around 25 cents, if that. Using what I had. Just give it a mix. so all your soap in the bottom gets mixed in there good. And now this is what our foam hand soap turned out like. That right there is homemade foam soap. And it's just as good as buying these brand new bottles for around $5 to $7. We made this one for 25 cents. Or around probably 25 cents using what I had. And it smells good. Okay, so we have our Dawn dish soap in the foam bottle. And we have our homemade hand soap using our old foam bottle to make our own foam soap. Okay, y'all, that's how we make our homemade foam soap. It saves me money and time. I hope y'all like this video, and if you do, don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this hand soap and if you like our homemade Dawn foam soap. This right here is great to keep at your sink, and it seems like it makes your dishwashing liquid last longer. Thanks for watching.